What are tissue-resident macrophages, and how do they work? Imagine tiny guardians living inside your body's tissues, constantly watching for trouble. These guardians are called tissue-resident macrophages, and they play a vital role in keeping you healthy. Unlike other immune cells that travel through your blood, these macrophages settle in specific tissues and stay there for a long time. They are part of the innate immune system, which is your body's first line of defense against infections and injuries. Different tissues have their own special types of tissue-resident macrophages. For example, in the brain, they are called microglia. In the liver, they are known as Kupffer cells. In the lungs, they are called alveolar macrophages, and in the skin, there are Langerhans cells and dermal macrophages. This variety helps each tissue perform its unique functions and stay healthy. These macrophages act like vigilant sentinels. They are always on the lookout for microbes, damaged cells, or foreign particles that might cause harm. When they spot a threat, they respond quickly by engulfing it through a process called phagocytosis. This means they surround and swallow the invader, destroying it and stopping infections from spreading. Tissue-resident macrophages also help keep tissues balanced. They clear away dead cells and debris, which is important for tissue health. After an injury, they support tissue repair by releasing signals that promote healing. They also help with metabolic tasks like recycling iron from old red blood cells, which is essential for making new blood cells. Another key role is managing inflammation. When there is an infection or injury, these macrophages help start the inflammatory response. They recruit other immune cells to the site of trouble. Once the threat is gone, they help turn off inflammation so tissues can return to normal. The origins of these macrophages are quite interesting. Some develop during early embryonic stages and can renew themselves within tissues. Others come from monocytes, a type of blood cell, which travel into tissues and become macrophages. The environment of each tissue influences how these macrophages develop and function, making them highly specialized. From the immune system's point of view, tissue-resident macrophages are essential for both defending against threats and maintaining tissue health. They act as a bridge between immediate, nonspecific responses and the more targeted actions of other immune cells. Their ability to adapt to their specific tissue needs makes them vital for overall health. Understanding how these cells work helps explain why infections or injuries in different organs can have unique effects. It also guides medical research toward treatments that target macrophages to promote healing or reduce inflammation. Whether it is fighting infections or helping tissues recover, tissue-resident macrophages are always ready to step in and keep your body functioning smoothly.